अरे 24 किलोमीटर खत्म नहीं हुआ, 17 बाकी है। ये तुमको 17 yeah.
Hello and welcome once again, guys, to Munching Miles. This is day 2. We are on our way to the Patratu Valley and just gearing up after last what you just saw a while ago. That the roads are really bad, as I told you all, and we really kind of lost our cool, you can say. So while going to Patratu, of course, you will come across a few township areas where you will see a whole lot of city traffic. This is basically the traffic that is within Ranchi, as you all know, and yeah, so we are trying to maneuver ourselves through the city traffic, of course, which is not that great in Ranchi. Now we move on to the actual roads. The roads are pretty good actually. If you, apart from the one that we just saw, these sort of roads are full in Ranchi, which is good. Which is good, I would say. It's just that probably that road was under construction, the one that we took, so I'm not too sure. Now, of course, you'll find a whole bunch of squids around, so be very careful when you come across squids, guys. Of course, people will treat you like you are, like you are an alien because you're wearing gear, you're wearing helmet, which is not a very common thing that we noticed in Ranchi itself. I mean, if you're wearing helmet or if you're wearing gear, riding gear, people treat like you are an alien over there. I don't know why. I believe that, like other cities in India, there are many other cities we rode in, but this is one place where I think we need to kind of promote the road safety norms and stuff like that. But even the cops over there are very okay with you if you're not wearing a helmet. So that's kind of strange for me. People were staring at us right throughout the way. People gave us looks, gave us glances, asked us weird questions, and you can't even imagine what sort of weird questions we had to answer. So yeah, we had a whole lot of questions that came into us, whether we are from a biking crew, whether we race, whether we're into movies and stuff like that. This bunch of guys, I was really happy that they actually were wearing helmet and they were riding. Not only they, even the pillion were wearing helmet. If you look at the scenic beauty to my right hand side, it is pretty good. Not as great as the hills, but yeah, you definitely get a valley feeling from here because we're going to the Patratu Valley. So you get a feeling of the valley over here. So these are rocks or stones or whatever you want to call them that are used for construction and stuff like that. We kind of entered the Patratu Valley, and the reason this is so significant, the Patratu Valley, is because this has got a lot of hairpin bends, as you all can see, and we really didn't want to take any chances over here. So Shantanu kind of slowed down because, as you know, this was his first time going on a tour with us. So we are trying our best to keep him safe, to make him learn what is road safety. Check out this squid that's upcoming right now, guys. He thought we were racing with him, and this guy actually turned back and saw we were not. So I'm not sure, again, as I told you all, I'm not sure how these guys actually ride over there without helmet because, as you all can see, we were really scared. We were really scared. It's fun. Okay, it was really a fun ride to do the entire Patratu Valley. It's a great road, as you all can see over here. The roads are I would say preferably really nice. The grip on the road is really good. Of course, the tires also matter over here. And as you all can see, that Harry has got a Dominar, Shantanu's got a Himalayan. So their the bike or the tire is fairly new versus my one. Now, as I was talking about the hairpin bends, you all can see the hairpin bends upcoming over here at every now and then. Good thing you see a lot of cyclists over there. And this is a place where we kind of got a little confused whether this was the viewpoint we were looking for or should we go further down. Now, as I told you, it's a valley, so you will have to go up and down the mountain or the valley part of it. So Shantanu kind of explained to us that he had been to Patratu Valley before, so this is not the place, this is not the viewpoint that we are looking for. We need to go further. So we decided, let's move ahead. Again, as I told you, people treat you like an alien. This person actually looked at us like we were an alien, wearing gear, riding gear, and stuff like that. So this was strange. I mean, to me, this was really, really strange that people actually think about, safety as the least priority when they're riding bike. But of course, as you all can see over here again, that the hairpin bends a little more scarier than the normal. So yeah, that is one part of it. So definitely, I mean, I would love to promote more of safety. You get this forest area in between where you actually are, where you actually are going through like a forest area. I would say it's not exactly a forest area, but like a forest area. And then you finally come on to the actual Patratu Valley road once again. This road, I would recommend people to go ahead and use this road only and only if they are wearing proper gear, because as you all can see, the oncoming traffic, this is a 2-lane or a single lane road. I'm sorry, this is a single lane road. You see a lot of people from the opposite direction also coming. You never know what speed they are in. So guys, please, whenever you're traveling in such roads, please maintain the road safety norms as much as you all can. Do not try to be a hero over here. Do not try to be a MotoGP racer, because you never know what's oncoming and what traffic you're going to get up front. Now, of course, this ride was indeed really, really pleasurable, as you all can see. And this is where we kind of enter the viewpoint area of the Patratu Valley. So on the entrance, I kind of indicated Harry that he should take over from here, because it's easier for him to navigate us rather than me, because I'm going first time. This is Harry's second time to Patratu, as he had been once in the month of December, if you all saw the video that I had made. The road to the viewpoint, this is the road to the viewpoint that I was talking about. It is great, and the reason we knew we are approaching the viewpoint is because you see a lot of tourists and a lot of youngsters going over there. It's a good Sunday ride for people, as I told you all. It's a good place to go and hang out. And what I really loved about this place is actually the view from the viewpoint. There is a road over there which looks like a shape of a heart, and I am not kidding, guys. This is actually a road in the shape of a heart. When you actually see it, I shall show you a little further up that this is a road over there. You will actually see that there is a road of this sort, and you will enjoy it, trust me. So we entering again, as I told you, the viewpoint area now. You see a lot of tourist vehicles moving up and down this area, so you have to be careful. And we have entered the viewpoint, rather we are approaching the viewpoint. So this is a viewpoint. You see a lot of tourists standing, taking pictures and stuff like that. So as I told you, this is a valley, so you will see a lot of tourists, of course. And the most significant thing that I told you all was the road which is shaped like a heart, which is really, really interesting. Okay, this is the first time I saw it, and if you guys really want to see it, this is the place what I'm talking about. Do you see the heart over here? Amazing, right? So here you go again, and I'll show you once again. Okay, of course we took some pics of our bike, of ourselves, and yeah, till then guys, ride safe, keep munching those miles.